I love math. Math is my favorite. Okay, so we're gonna kind of do a day 2 here of Mondays and yesterday's work, and then I want to give you some time to get the homework done if you haven't got the homework done, because that's due today. Okay? Okay? Let's do this. Let's jump into it. Let's dive head first into it. So find me the standard form of the line that passes through the point -3, 4, and first is parallel to this line, and second is perpendicular to that line. Okay? So both times you're going through the point -3, 4. One time you're going to be parallel to the given line. The next time you're going to be perpendicular to it. Okay? Go for it. So what's the first thing that we have to do? Find the slope of the given line, right? Okay? All right. So how am I going to find the slope of this given line? Divide everything by 6? So if I divide everything by 6, then that's going to give me y equals 7, 6x plus 10. Agree? Okay. So in my first scenario, I need to be parallel. So what would my slope be? 7 over 6. And I would go through the point -3, 4. So utilizing my point slope form, that's going to be y minus 4 equals 7, 6 times x minus -3. It said I needed to be in standard form. So if I that means I can't have fractions or decimals. So if I multiply everything here by 6 on both sides, then that's going to give me 6y minus 24 equals 7 times the quantity x plus 3. Distribute. Subtract 7x from both sides. At the same time, add 24 to both sides. So I get the standard form for the parallel line to be -7x plus 6y equals positive 45. Agree. Disagree. Okay. In part B, then, it said that I needed to be perpendicular. So what is my slope going to be now? -6/7. My point is still going to be -3, 4. I still need to be in standard form. So then I'm going to have y minus 4 equals -6/7 x minus -3. Now I'm going to multiply by 7. 7y minus 28 is going to equal negative 6 times the quantity of x plus 3. 7y minus 28 equals negative 6x minus 18. Add 6x. Add 28. And I get my perpendicular line is 6x plus 7y equals 10. Agree? Good times. The second part of today is I want to give you the picture of a absolute value graph, and I want you to find me the y equals a times the absolute value of x minus h, then plus k equation of it. Okay? So the nice thing is that if you're given the graph, you will know where the vertex is. Okay? So the vertex, remember, is that changing point, that flippity-floppity point, the peak of the mountain or the bottom of the valley. Okay? Right? So that is our vertex. So in this particular case, our vertex is at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that would be at the point negative 5, comma, positive 4. Then you can look at the slope of the right side. I am going down 1 and right 2. So down 1 would be negative 1. Right 2 would be 2. Rise over run would then give me the slope of the right side would be negative 1/2. With me so far? Okay. Now, the reason that you need to find those two things is because, remember, your vertex is the point h, comma, k from yesterday. So negative 5 is h, k is 4. And remember from yesterday that the slope of the right side of our absolute value is k. So by finding those two things off of your graph, you have found all of the information that you need. So now the equation that you need, or the equation of this absolute value graph, is y equals negative 1/2 times the absolute value of x minus h, so that's going to be plus 5, because it's minus negative 5, then plus 4. And that is the equation that we're looking for. Questions, comments, concerns, clarifications? Try this one. Where is my vertex? 4, comma, negative 2. Slope of my right side? 2. 3 over 1, right? Y is going to equal 3 times the absolute value of x minus 4 questions, comments, concerns, clarifications? This concludes math for this week. Tomorrow we don't have class, we don't have a quiz tomorrow. But you now have the better part of 2 mods to complete the examinatory worksheet that will also be due before you leave today. Exam worksheet due today. I'll be up here at the front table asking and answering any of the questions that any